In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva and you can earn money with it. I'm going to show you everything step by step. And don't worry, there is no design skills required because you're going to have everything you need in this video. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money with Canva. Everything that you need to know is going to be on this video. So with that said, let me show you everything and I'm going to be sharing my screen right now so we can have a better view here on my computer. Okay, so this is Canva. Just in case that you are not aware, it's basically a tool that is going to help you design without any kind of knowledge or design experience needed. Okay. So as you can see, this is going to be really easy, drag and drop. I'm going to show you more in detail in a moment. And you can actually create a free account. That's going to be a forever free account. You're going to have ready-made designs. You can actually build a teamwork. You don't need this and you can share your designs. Okay, so these are templates and they do have some of resources. Okay, you are going to be using this one, the Canva free version. You don't need to upgrade it to the Canva pro version if you don't want it. Okay, or you can do it later on when you are profitable. Okay, so this is my Canva account. This is my personal free account. I have been using it for several years. I also have a team account, but I want to show you that you can actually use this one and everything's going to be fine. So as you can see, we have the whiteboard, presentation, videos, Instagram posts, and everything. So I'm going to click here where it says social media. Okay, just in case that you miss it. It's actually this one. Whoops. Okay, so this is actually here on social media. And as you can see, they do have like what it's they call the most popular, the Instagram's posts with already with the size, so you don't need to worry about the sizes, the Facebook posts, the Instagram stories, these are templates, WhatsApp status, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so Pinterest, LinkedIn, and actually, if I scroll down, you're going to see that I do have more options, and this is per social network. Here also, we have these really fancy templates. So you have a lot of possibilities to do with this. So now, chances are that you're going to be wondering, like, okay, now this look good, but what can I do with this? Okay. I'm going to be using another tool, and this tool is 100% free because I want to know like what's trending right now, or if people are actually, having these on demand. Because I know I already did the research that there is a lot of people who are actually actively looking for this and they're willing to pay. So I'm going to be using the tool for Google or Google Ads, which is um, actually this one here on tools and settings, and you're going to click here where it says planning. You're going to be using the keyword planner. Okay, this is the one that you're going to be using, and by the time I'm recording this video, I'm using the Instagram template. Okay, here in Instagram template, you're going to see that the monthly average search is between 10,000 to 100,000 people. Okay, and they also have other people who are looking for information. For example, we have the Instagram post template, the Instagram story template, okay, the feed. Okay, so you're going to see that 10,000, between 10,000 to 100,000 people here, between 10,000 to 100 people here. And if we go here to Canva, you're going to see that I have here the Instagram post, the Instagram story. So I have everything here. So the same, if you go, for example, with YouTube template, let's say that we're going to go with YouTube template, or we go with YouTube thumbnail. Okay, here, for example, I have YouTube template between 10,000 to 100,000. Okay, even YouTube banner template between 100,000 to 1 million people are actively looking this, and this is per month, guys. Okay, and we have everything here. Okay, if I click here, for example, I have the YouTube banner. Okay, I do have the YouTube banner, and you are gonna notice, okay, that I might have more templates here on the sidebar. Okay, here is a quick tour. Let me click it. So I have here. Okay, so let's say that I want to go with this one. Okay, that I really like this template. You just need to click it. Okay, and you are gonna be able to edit it. You're gonna be able to drag and drop the image. Okay, so you're gonna have everything here. Okay, really good. Now we have the designs or part of them. Okay, so if you don't want to, to get in trouble, or you're like, to do and have an extra step, you can find some images. I'm going to show you how you can find free images that you can use, and you can actually going to be doing something really interesting with that just in a moment. If you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, guys, on the very first link in the description, I'm going to share with you what's my number one recommendation to make money online. So if you're looking, to make passive income, you're looking to fire your boss, go and check the very first link in the description. Okay, now let me go back to the video and let me finish with this tutorial. Okay, so we're going to go to Google. Whoops. We're going to go to Google, and we're going to be typing royalty-free images. Okay, royalty-free stands for, images that we can use and we can resell it. Okay, so, there are several options here, but there are a couple of pages that I like to use. For example, this one on splash.com. I also like to use this one, Pixabay and Pexels. Okay, I also like to go with Pexels.com. You can find tons of images here, and you can actually use them. If you want to go to the extra step and you want to customize even more your design. Okay, so now we have the design. Okay, we know that there is a lot of people who are looking for this, okay, and they need it, okay, they're willing to pay for it. So where are we gonna sell them? Okay, so the very first place in which you can actually sell it, it's on a website that it's called Etsy. Etsy.com is a marketplace in which nowadays you are able, to sell products as, and these can be digital products. Okay, so it doesn't need to be something physical. So let me show you. Let's say that we're gonna go with Instagram, and you're gonna see that the very first result, it's actually Instagram template. Okay, if we go with YouTube, you're gonna see that it's YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let me show you with Instagram. Okay, we're gonna go with Instagram template. Selling the design. Okay, people here who actually actively selling these designs. Okay, the same with YouTube. Let me show you here really fast. So we're gonna go with YouTube, and we're gonna click here where it says YouTube banner. You can also go with the YouTube branding kit, because you have everything that you need to get done on Canva. Okay, so you can have these kind of bundles like Instagram, YouTube, all the social medias and all the stuff, and you can start selling them. Okay, so people are looking for this, and you are going to be an expert who can provide them the solution. Okay, where else can you sell this? Okay, you can also go to a website that it's called Creative Fabrica. Okay, you can go to creativefabrica.com. The difference between these and Etsy is the fact that, okay, this is a marketplace in which people are going to be paying a monthly fee, and part of it, you're going to get it. Okay, so on Etsy, you set up your own prices. Here on Creative Fabrica, you are not going to be setting your price. But there is another marketplace that is looking to compete with Etsy, which is Creative Market. Okay, here on Creative Market, you can open your own shop, and here you can actually put your own prices. Okay, so these are different business models. Etsy and Creative Market, you're gonna put your own price. Creative Fabrica, okay, they charge a monthly fee, and you're gonna get, some revenue depending on what people are actively looking for, and if they decide to download one or a couple of your products. Okay, so this is a great way in which you can actually earn, you know, money online. Okay, so do not hesitate to put it in place. If you have some comments, some questions, put it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.